Hello there and welcome to another easy tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more, and if you need a tutorial on something, leave it in the comments. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to zoom in and out on something using Capcut PC. Start by opening up Capcut PC and upload the video you want to zoom in and/or out on. There are two ways to do this. The easy way is just go to Effects and choose the Zoom Lens effect. With this way, you cannot, however, choose perfectly how you want your zoom in and out to be. I will show you the harder way, but with this one, you can adjust it to how you want them to be. I will show you how to zoom in first. Choose a part of the video where you would like your zoom in to begin. Now go to Basic and add Keyframes by clicking this little diamond icon next to Scale, Position, and Rotate. Now do this again a little further in the video where you would like your zoom in to stop. The further from the previous keyframe the next one is placed, the slower you will zoom in. At the second keyframe, you can change the scale to how much you want to zoom in, and just use your mouse to drag the video to where you want to zoom in on. To zoom out, we are just going to do the same thing. Add a keyframe to where you want your zoom out to start. Add another one to where you want it to stop, and to set the length of your zoom out. Finally, just set scale back to 100% and drag the video to its original place. Thanks for watching, and let me know which easy tutorial you want next.